Question number 81. Which Azure service, when enabled, will automatically block traffic to or from known malicious IP addresses and domains? Option A, Load Balancer. Option B, Azure Active Directory. Option C, Azure Firewall. Option D, Network Security Groups. The correct answer is option C, Azure Firewall. Azure Firewall can automatically block traffic to or from known malicious IP addresses and domains by integrating with Microsoft Threat Intelligence. It helps protect your network by filtering traffic based on known threat data, providing an added layer of security. Question number 82. What software is used to synchronize your on-premises AD with your Azure AD? Option A, Azure AD Federation Services. Option B, LDAP. Option C, AD Connect. Option D, Azure AD Domain Services. The correct answer is option C, AD Connect. Azure AD Connect is the software used to synchronize your on-premises Active Directory AD with Azure Active Directory Azure AD. It ensures that user accounts, group membership, and other directory information are consistent across both environments. Question number 83. Azure Tenant is a dedicated and trusted instance of Azure Active Directory that's automatically created when your organization signs up for a Microsoft Cloud Service subscription. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. An Azure Tenant is indeed a dedicated and trusted instance of Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, and it is automatically created when an organization signs up for a Microsoft Cloud Service subscription, such as Azure, Microsoft 365, or Dynamic 365. This tenant serves as the foundational identity and access management system for all resources in the subscription. Question number 84. Which style of computing is easiest when migrating an existing hosted application from your own data center into the cloud? Option A, FAAS. Option B, serverless. Option C, IaaS. Option D, PaaS. The correct answer is option C, IaaS. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, is the easiest style of computing when migrating an existing hosted application from your own data center into the cloud. With IaaS, you can lift and shift your application to virtual machines in the cloud, which allows you to maintain your existing architecture and configuration with minimal changes. Question number 85. What does the letter R in RBAC stand for? Option A, review. Option B, rights. Option C, role. Option D, rule. The correct answer is option C, role. In RBAC, role-based access control, the R stands for role. It refers to the permission granted to users based on their role within an organization, allowing access control based on the roles assigned to individuals. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 86. Deploying Azure App Services applications consists of what two components? Pick two. Option A, configuration. Option B, packaged code. Option C, database script. Option D, managing operating system updates. The correct answers are Option A, configuration. Option B, packaged code. When deploying Azure App Services applications, you typically deal with configuration, settings like environmental variables, connection strings, etc., and packaged code, the actual application code or web files. These two components are essential for deploying and running your app in Azure App Services. Question number 87. How many hours are available free when using the Azure B1S General Purpose Virtual Machines under Azure Free account in the first 12 months? Option A, 750 hours. Option B, 500 hours. Option C, indefinite amount of hours. Option D, 300 hours. The correct answer is Option A, 750 hours. When using the Azure B1S General Purpose Virtual Machines under the Azure Free account in the first 12 months, you get 750 hours of usage per month. This allows you to run a single B1S VM continuously for a month without incurring charges within the free account limits. Question number 88. Which of the following elements is considered part of the network layer of network security? Option A, separate servers into distinct subnets by role. Option B, locks on the data center doors. Option C, keeping operating systems up to date with patches. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is Option A, separate servers into distinct subnets by role. The network layer of network security typically focuses on securing the network infrastructure, such as segmenting networks into subnets based on roles. Example, separating web servers from database servers. Question number 89. What are resource groups? Option A, automatically assigned group of resources that all have the same type, virtual machine, app service, etc. Option B, within Azure Security Model, users are organized into groups, and those groups are granted permission to resources. Option C, a folder structure in Azure in which you organize resources like databases, virtual machines, virtual network, or almost any resources. Option D, based on the tag assigned to a resource, by the deployment script, it is assigned to a group. The correct answer is Option C, a folder structure in Azure in which you organize resources like databases, virtual machines, virtual networks, or almost any resource. Resource groups in Azure are a way to logically organize and manage related resources, such as virtual machines, databases, and networks. They help you manage resources collectively, making it easier to apply access control, monitoring, and lifecycle management to a set of resources. Question number 90. Which Azure service can be enabled to enable multi-factor authentication for administrators, but not require it for regular users? Option A. Privileged Identity Management. Option B. Azure AD B2B. Option C. Advanced Threat Protection. Option D. Azure Firewall. Correct answer is Option A. Privileged Identity Management. Azure Privileged Identity Management (PIM) allows you to enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) specifically for administrators while not requiring it for regular users. PIM helps manage, control, and monitor access within Azure AD, ensuring that only users with elevated privileges are required to use MFA.